In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install your ink cartridges on your Canon PIXMA TS3750i printer. If you find this video helpful, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is to make sure our Canon PIXMA is turned on and is plugged in. So to do that, guys, you want to plug in your printer to a power outlet and you want to press the on button in the top left. And if you have a green light, that means you are ready to go. So make sure it's not kind of making any noises inside the printer before you start this process. And the first thing we're going to do is to prep our ink cartridges. So by that, guys, I mean you want to take your ink cartridges out of the kind of plastic, the plastic container that they come in. And then you want to have your ink cartridges looking exactly like this. They might have like a orange peel off sticker on the side, which you can just which you should take off before you install it. Make sure you don't remove this orange sticker that's attached to the printer. Otherwise you will damage your ink cartridge. This is exactly how it should look. Now, guys, what I will say is that you should be using the Canon CL576i ink cartridge. If you have a different one, guys, unfortunately this process will probably not work. These printer companies make sure that you can only use their ink cartridges in your printer. So to install your ink cartridge, guys, we want to come down over to the inside of the printer and we just want to lift down this flap over here. Now, what you should see is that these are the ink cartridge holders. They might take a second just to move into place here, but once they are in place, and you will know because they should have like a sticker indicating which is which, you just want to take down the blue clamp on both of them like this. And then what we're going to see, guys, is we're going to have color and black. So what we want to do, guys, is we want to get our color cartridge and put it on the left side. If you don't have the sticker, you want to put it on the left side of your printer. And the direction you want to put it in, guys, is so that these yellow squares are facing into the printer and you can read the label face up. So the label is readable from the angle you put it in. So all you need to do, guys, is just place it in so it's nice and snug. Okay, it doesn't have to like stand up or anything, because all you have to do now is just take the blue clamp up. It might require a little bit of force, guys. Don't be scared to use a little bit of force. And the same with the black ink cartridge. You just place it in and then put the blue clamp up. And then once we've done that, guys, make sure they're nice and secure. And then take the flap and put it back up. And now you're gonna hear it make some noises, guys. That's fine. It's just installing the ink cartridge, completely normal. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was helpful, guys, please consider liking and subscribing, as that really would help us out. And guys, if you are in the market for any printer supplies or anything like that, make sure to check out our link in the description for our sponsor. They are a third-party printer supply store. We buy all of our stuff from them. They are really good. They do global shipping and have loads of deals all the time. And yeah, you'd be helping out a small business and you would be helping out us. So thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.